What if I told you these simple health changes could add years to your life? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 surprising health benefits that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. I'm Moha from Moha's Health Hub, and I'm here to share health tips that are backed by science and easy to follow. 7 key health benefits. Benefit 1. Regular exercise. What it is: regular physical activity like walking or light workouts. The benefit: increases energy, strengthens your heart, and boosts mood. Drop a comment if you're already hitting your daily step count. Benefit 2. Hydration. What it is: drinking more water throughout the day. The benefit: improves skin health. Digestion and mental clarity. How much water do you drink daily? Let me know below. Benefit 3. Eating whole foods. What it is: choosing unprocessed, nutrient-rich foods. The benefit: reduces risk of chronic diseases and boosts energy levels. What's your go-to healthy snack? Share in the comments. Benefit 4. Mindfulness practices. What it is: incorporating mindfulness or meditation into your routine. The benefit: lowers stress, improves mental clarity, and enhances focus. Have you tried mindfulness? Tell me how it's helped you. Benefit 5. Sleep quality. What it is: prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. The benefit: improves immune function, mental health, and overall well-being. How's your sleep routine? Let's share tips in the comments. Benefit 6. Social connections. What it is: nurturing relationships and staying connected. The benefit: improves mental health and longevity. How do you maintain your social connections in this busy world? Benefit 7. Consistent routine. What it is: creating a consistent daily schedule. The benefit: reduces stress, improves productivity, and builds healthy habits. What's one daily habit you can't live without? These simple health benefits can really make a huge difference if you start incorporating them today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I post health tips like these every week. Next week, I'll be diving into an exciting health challenge that's perfect for anyone wanting to level up their wellness game. You don't want to miss it. And hey, before you go, I've got something special for you. Head to the description for a free health tracker that can help you stay on top of these tips.